Young people across the country are now benefiting from a skills acquisition training. The Industrial Training Fund, which facilitated the project with the aid of the Content Development Board, expects it to bridge the skill knowledge gap in the country. Lara Afolayan reports.
Hawa Mubarak is heavily pregnant, but has come all the way from Yobe State to participate in this skills acquisition program. She is one of the beneficiaries with particular interest in information communication technology. She hopes to start a venture in this area after the training.
My expectation is to get trained and skills so that we employ people later after the training.
In 2017, the Industrial Training Fund conducted a skills gap assessment survey in 6 priority areas. They include the agro-allied industry, construction, oil and gas, metals, solid minerals, manufacturing and services. The results showed a need to push up skills knowledge in these sectors. That explains why thousands are now being trained.
We ensure that at the end of any of our modular programs, our trainees are self-reliant and they can stand on their own. They can be self-employed. Self-reliance and self-employment, that is what is major to us.
It is common consensus that the only way to effectively diversify and indeed grow any economy is through skills acquisition.
Cognizant of the fact that job creation leads to poverty reduction and improved welfare for the poor, this administration, led by President Muhammadu Buhari, GCFR, has deliberately placed a lot of emphasis on skills acquisition as a vehicle to generate employment, increase employability of the youth, and alleviate poverty. It is therefore heartwarming to note that the ITF has fully keyed into this initiative.
The participants are to get funding support to enable them hit the ground running after a successful completion of the training. The facilitators are hopeful beneficiaries will put the skills into proper use for economic growth, and they appear ready to fulfill this objective.
I'm going to help my colleagues and my friends when I open the shop and do business.
Recent figures released by the National Bureau of Statistics shows a rise in unemployment for the second quarter of 2020, which now stands at 27.1%. And economic watchers have now advised entrepreneurship as a way out of the country's unemployment challenges. Lara Afolayan, TVC News, Abuja.